Okay, so good morning, students. Hopefully, I'm audible to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Let me switch on my camera so that I can see all the other Safia was there right now. Where is she? Yes, Safia is joining now. It's perfect. Okay. So so let few more will join now. Let's wait for 2 minutes more. I expect some others to join also. No one else is joining. Why is it possible? What is the time? 11, I believe. So, Mozam, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Perfect. You're happy today, I find. Usually you don't smile. Today you are smiling. Thanks. Anything special?
No, sir.
It's good. Did you upload the story that was given as a homework? Your surprised face gives me the answer. Mudavir, I can't see you. Ah, how are you? He is showing this way. That means you're not well. You're not happy. Yes, Mudavir. What happened? Everything fine?
Yes, sir.
What is the story that was told to be written? Ah, silence speaks the words. Farhana, camera is not working.
No, sir, I'm turning it on, sir.
Amit Kazi, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can I see you?
Okay.
Thanks for showing your face. Okay, so Amit Kazi, where is your story? Which story, sir? Story was given to be written last week, which Farhana has done. Right, Farhana? Okay. Farhana has changed the location now. Earlier, I used to see her fan only. Now I can see the this. What you see the ceiling light. That's a good thing. Safia, have you done your homework? No, sir. What homework? Didn't hear of homeworks only these days. Yusuf, I can't recall whether I have got you in the class earlier. Have you been to my class earlier?
He's a new
Yusuf? Acha, he's a new
No,
student.
sir.
Yusuf, very good morning. You can switch on your camera, no
Good
problem.
morning,
Sorry? Ah, welcome to our class. So, Yusuf, this is your first class, English?
Yes, sir.
Yusuf, this is your first class with me?
Yes, sir.
And also in Golden Sparrow? Is it? No.
Yes. I am in good.
Okay, okay. So, what is your area of interest? What do you do apart from studying?
I play
You play. What do you play? Video games or outdoor games?
out there.
Outdoor games. What kind of games really excite you? What games do you love to play?
Cricket and football.
Football. I find many of you are crazy about football. Ahmed Kazi is another fellow who loves to play football. Okay. So Yusuf, again, a very warm welcome to Golden Sparrow. Today we'll start our class in a very interesting way. By the way, I have given till 2 p.m. to upload your short stories. If you check the classroom, I have created a stream there. Kindly upload it by 2 p.m. A homework has been given. Yusuf, if you have been added in the classroom, you can also upload the story. Kindly ensure that this is done because I am going to inform the outside right now that a classwork has been created. Definitely, I will not tell him that it has been given a week before. I want to save you. But if it is not uploaded by 2 p.m., then I have to inform him this also. That even though they were given a week's time, they have not completed it. Right, Safia? Yes, Safia?
What?
And you are going to inform, the outside that the students have not done the homework. If and they're going to upload it by 2 p.m. Right, Safia?
Yes.
Safia is in trouble. She is speechless now.
I said yes.
आज तो मिलेगा, आज तो मिलेगा फ्री में डांटना. अगर नहीं मिलेगा, then I'll make it sure that you get something back. Okay, we'll start our class with a wonderful video. Today we'll start with the second part of A Tiger Comes to Town, the part 2. But before that, why not? I was just searching the YouTube and I came across a small video of one particular leopard. I think it's a cheetah. Suddenly attacked one town in Chennai. So reading a story and seeing something, it is a bit different. By the way, Yusuf, have you come across the story Tiger Comes to Town before? Have you read the story before? No.
Yes,
Sorry?
yes, sir. I have
Okay, you have read it. Okay, very good. Thank you. I would love Mudabir to just brief us whatever we have gone through in the first part of Tiger Comes to Town. What have we learned from that particular part? Mudabir, over to you.
The story A Tiger Comes to Town is about a tiger that has escaped from the circus
Good.
and has come in the town. And when he comes into the town, he has an opinion about humans. But in the he made in the circus that humans are very strong and they are not afraid of tigers. But when he comes into the town, he realizes that he was wrong, because when he comes, everybody just goes into their homes and put their shutters down.
Fine. Yes. People, we believe they are very clever, they're very brave, etc., etc. But that is the impression. That is the impression. I'm using the impression word very significantly. That is the impression that we get through the tiger, that human beings are very brave. But eventually, when the people see a tiger in real life, the whole scenario changes, and eventually people run away. Does the same thing happen when an actual wild animal enters into a particular town or a city? To understand this, let's check this particular video. Remember, because it's a Zoom video I'm sharing through Zoom, sorry, a YouTube video, you will receive the audio first and the video will run a bit late. That is a usual thing. That usually happens when we stream. So kindly be patient. Hopefully my screen is okay. I forgot to switch on the share video, share audio. But there was nothing much, just typical chaos. So, but nonetheless, my question to you all is, what were the things that you found very common to whatever has been mentioned in the story? Use the chat box to drop your answer. What things did you find in
So we
common
have to send it to you privately.
in the chat box in my personal name? You have to send me to my personal name. You have to, let me repeat my question. You have to identify the things which were common both in the story and in the video. And if you want to add something about the nature of the people, how they reacted, or anything else, you can add your views there also. First thing, what were common in both the story and the clip. Second thing, your views if you wish to add anything. I'll play the video. In the meantime, you can write it again. The messages that I've got. I have some own views of mine. I'll share it with you afterwards. Okay, let me see what have you given, the responses. My goodness, wait. It's not stopped. Yeah, fine. The people were scared. Yes, similar. Wild animals suddenly came in the public and all were scared. Correct. People closing their shops. Yes. A tiger coming to town. That's correct. Okay. The animal tried to enter the place, but the doors and windows were closed. Correct. It is very similar to the tiger entering into the school campus and eventually the headmaster's room. The headmaster's room was not closed. That's why it could enter. Otherwise, people closed it. That's true. What happened to this Yusuf, Uzair, Parker, and Ahmed Kazi? They're not participating only these days. Mohammad Alim Sheikh, welcome back. You have come after a long time. Okay. Yes, correct. Your understanding is very unique. Ahmed Kazi has given. Ahmed Kazi gives answers only when invited. Along the gate so that the tiger couldn't enter. Correct. Okay. Okay. Sorry. My question to you is: in one particular scene, we find that the tiger is biting onto the wooden table. Why do you think so? What makes the tiger bite onto the table? Any idea? What was it up to? Trying to eat the wooden thing? Safi, are you saying something? You are muted.
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone, anything else? Please take the initiative. What made the tiger suddenly bite onto the wooden board? He got angry that he couldn't enter the place. Okay. Okay. Farhana, you can speak, no problem. No one is going to tell you that you are not to speak. You can use your own liberty to speak. Don't have to waste your energy on typing. Does everyone think the same way, that the tiger was biting onto the board because it was angry, he couldn't enter, he wanted to remove his anger on someone or something? Yes. Yes, right, Saklan, even I believe so. See, what I believe is this, it can be wrong. I don't have any problem. Suppose right now, Mudabir, Farhana, Saklain, Yusuf, Uzair, Muzam, Safia, Ahmed, Alim Sheikh, everyone tries to tease me because I've entered the place where you had been partying. Right now you're in a classroom, that's why you are not throwing me out. But suppose you all are partying together and suddenly I enter there and you start teasing me. And some students will also get angry with me and start throwing things at me. But I know I cannot beat you because CBSE has told me not to beat you all. Though I don't stick to that statement of CBSE, I also give medicine to people who are not within the control. That CBSE thing doesn't work on me. But nonetheless, CBSE has told me we are not to beat anyone. Suppose if I stick to that rule, I cannot beat my students, but they are throwing stones at me, abusing me, doing this, doing that. So I need to do something. I need to express my anger. I need to express, I need to run away from there. What will you do for self-protection? Either you try to hurt me, either I try to hurt you all, or else I show my anger on something by which I can get rid of it. Suppose tomorrow Safia is angry with her father because all the right reason, but she knows she cannot say anything to him. So what will she do? She will start boxing on her pillow, getting angry on her mother probably if she is a bit soft. Maybe if she is very good boxer, she might start boxing on the wall because she is unable to express herself on her father. Same thing I believe the leopard was doing. You can say that's a wild animal. But my question to you is, was it making the whole thing easy? Rather, people were making it more afraid. It was getting more panicked on seeing so many people striking at it without any reason. Now relate this situation of the wild animal, the leopard or the cheetah, with that of
The tiger in the town
this
story.
yes, tiger in the town. They have presented it in a very different manner, in a
Sir,
very humorous way.
that
Yeah,
the tiger
Safia.
that in the story, he did not want to attack, but the people were so scared they were trying to threaten him.
Correct. Same thing over here. The leopard was attacking because of some reason which we don't know. Fine. But the outsiders, they were throwing so many stones. Obviously, you'll get nervous. Right. Keeping this in mind, we'll move on to the next part of our story. We will not take much time reading this story because the passage is also with you. I'll just go through it. We won't spend much time on this. Okay, we have time. Remember in part 1 of the story, this happened. The Reed teachers locked the room from outside and would not let the circus master go inside to bring the tiger out despite his repeated requests. Obvious. Because they don't want to take a risk. It is quite natural behavior. But let me put you one question. Okay, let me finish this. Then I'll ask a question to you. Let me finish this first. Meanwhile, I woke after a very good stretch of sleep and heard voices outside. The poor human being in the loft must have trembled at the moment. I wished to assure him that I was not going to hurt him. That's interesting. I looked up and saw the headmaster cowering in the attic. What is an attic? Can anyone tell me what is an attic?
So it is storage. It is a place to store things on the ceiling.
Correct. Very good. Yes, it's a small place in the same room, probably a small kind of a storeroom, but it has to be up above. Usually it can be a separate room, or in India, usually an attic is just a part of a room just above, just around near the ceiling, very near the ceiling, which acts as a storeroom. Or you can keep it as a room for your study purpose. It can be. It's very rare in India, but in Western countries, they have an attic, very common. So our headmaster is a very strong character for the students, but in front of the tiger, uska to bolti band. Simple. I stretched myself and wrote for no particular reason except that I felt alive. Yeah, suddenly when Mudabir feels like yawning, he may do it silently. He may make a sound. If he makes a sound, that doesn't mean that he is angry. He's just expressing himself. Same thing. So the tiger roared because it wanted to, not to make anyone afraid. Simple. Okay, I raised myself, put up my four legs on the wall, scratched it, and growled softly, which made him more nervous. Obvious. Today I'm explaining you so many things. Tomorrow suddenly a tiger comes. 80% of my task will be done. I'll try to call all the gods and goddesses whom I know. Okay, let's move forward. I knew my master. Oh, sorry. I knew my master was outside. I could hear him say, "No one is going to school. You will see the tiger come out and walk off with me. One of you take a ladder in and help the headmaster come down from that. Do you mean to say you are going in as you are, without arms of protection?" The answer said, "Yes, that's what I'm going to do." That is obvious. Now see. Okay, let me put the question now, and give me the answer in the chat box. What made the master to be courageous, to be brave? Or make the question more simple. Why was the master not afraid of the tiger? Why was the master not afraid of the tiger? Use the chat box. If you give the answer correctly, then I can ask you another, I can explain you another new matter. Why was the master not afraid of the tiger?
Sir, you are talking about the tiger's master.
Yeah, obviously. Use the chat box, please.
I thought
Directly to me. Why was the master not afraid of the tiger? Use the chat box. Let me have a discussion with Mr. Daud if I can keep 5 marks for class response. Safia, all these are recorded, right? All these activities that we take in the class. Safia, are you there?
Sir, I'm not recording.
No, I think I saw a recording happening. Yes. As a Mozam is the host.
I am recording the session.
Mozam, make me the host. Acha, fine. Okay.
So
That
I
means
can-
eventually it gets recorded and it is saved. Yeah, you know, it can be kept it and the Golden Sparrow School has the access to it, right? Right, Mozam?
Yes, sir.
The videos are saved, right? And the
Yes.
school has the access. Fine.
Yes.
Why I'm asking this? So that when I give you marks out of 5 or 10, let me have a talk with Daud sir. Then you also cannot say, "Sir, you have given me 1 out of 5. मैं तो answer दिया था." So I conduct such activities. I'll save them, mark you on that, so that I get maximum participation in the class. नहीं तो कुछ बच्चे हैं यहाँ पर whose cameras are off, and I presume they are also off from the class. I've got only 3 answers till now. Let me discuss the answers. Others, I think they don't want to.
I don't
The
know.
master was not afraid because he lives with the tiger. You don't know how to say.
No. Right.
Which you have to type. You have to write. You have to type. Type the way you
I
want to.
can't form.
The master
I had.
knew.
Yeah. Because the master knew the tiger
Give it a
for so many years.
Use
Yes,
it.
yes,
Use the
tiger.
chat box. Chat box only. The master knew the tiger would not harm him without any reason. As the master trained the tiger. Yes, ये तो perfect. As the master trained the tiger. That is the main reason. And secondly, whatever you have said, whichever answers you have given, that because a training was given, a bonding has been developed between the tiger and the master. And they know each other. The master knew the tiger is not going to hurt him. Yes. So Mozam and I are known to each other. So tomorrow Mozam may be angry on me. I will understand. I could be able to interpret his anger. because he has the right to get angry on me at any time. Maybe his anger may be wrong. Maybe his anger is correct. But he can get it up. He can get angry. Same thing happens with a tiger or a lion. It can also get angry with proper reason or without proper reason. And whether he is angry with a reason or without, will come to know only when we have understood that character. So what is the main problem? Master has trained the tiger for so many years, correct? The master trained him since he was a cub. The person trains a pet since a baby. They don't harm them, correct? Now, then what is the problem? Why are the other people not being able to communicate? Yes, they don't know the tiger, fine. Then what is the problem? How can I solve the issue? How can I sort out the problem? Can anyone tell me? This is a recurring problem. Even I am afraid. Today I am teaching the chapter, that's fine. But even I am afraid of animals, of wild animals. How can this problem be solved? Is there any solution to this? Anyone, let me see if you are thinking creatively.
Sir, you can
Because
encourage
this
the people of
SDGs
not being scared by this tiger.
We can encourage the people not to get scared.
Of this tiger.
Sorry?
You can encourage the people of not getting scared of this tiger.
I can encourage you to speak up. But unless you get faith in me, how will you speak up? It is very easy to say encourage. थोड़ी ना encouragement से काम होता है. उज़ैर पार्कर, आमिद काजी, कितने encouragement में दे रहा हूँ, फिर भी वो अभी तक कैमरा ऑन हुआ है? नहीं हुआ है. Encouragement से हर वक्त solution नहीं होता है. What else can be a solution? Tell me, anyone. Let me find out. Your creative nature. No one. Any kind of wild idea. What can be the probable solution to this? My goodness. Give it a try. Okay, how can I solve the problem between I and Mozam? Suppose Mozam is angry with me. How can I sort out the issue? Anyone? Any idea?
Sir, you can talk to him and get to know why he is angry with you.
Excellent. That means you need to interact with the person. So there is a communication gap. You can note down this point. There's a communication gap between human beings and non-human beings. Note down this point for this particular chapter. There is a communication gap between the humans and the non-humans. And that is the main reason why these problems are happening. The SDGs will not be successful until and unless we break this barrier. Every problem that arises in the society, it is just because of communication gap. Nothing else. Trust me on this. I have seen many cases, many cases. Interestingly, between human beings also we have communication gap. And that is where the problem arises. The moment you talk, the moment you talk, you understand. Suppose after talking, you find that that person is not capable for you. That is also fine. But how will you understand the person is gelling with you or not? Unless you talk with that person. That part is important. So note down this point that there is a strong communication gap between humans and non-humans. And this is the only way out is to develop this communication. Just visiting a zoo will not going to solve out the issue. It is better to visit a natural sanctuary. It is not going to sort out in one day, never. But slowly but steadily, we need to participate in such activities. Otherwise, these problems will not be solved. Today, many of my friends, even I, not on that particular day, but I do it. We celebrate our birthdays by spending time with special children, or donating or conducting a particular food show, or the fundraising for some NGOs. Why? Not just for publicity, but also to bring the communication, to develop the communication. That is important. Let's move forward. I knew my master was outside. This. Do you know? Shit. Yeah, all right. Time. I should not over exceed 30 seconds. Maybe my master, but which section of the law says that a man should not approach a tiger? Are not circus people doing it all the time? Oh, but they go on discussing all rubbish thing. You just go through it. The logic that people give. Now see, one of my professors used to tell me, see Debashish, if you don't want to do some work, there will be 1,000 reasons you can show not to do the work. But suppose you want to do that work, you'll definitely find out 1,001 reason to do that work. So it depends upon our mentality, our thought process. So the people in the circus, especially the master, he's trying to convince them in every possible way to start the communication. The people who are unaware of the tiger and its psychology, they are creating 1,001 problems not to start. We cannot blame anyone. Okay, the chairman was visibly confused and bewildered. In that case, we will have to sign. Now, see, this is the problem we face in India and abroad. A very typical case. I would request you to watch a particular movie under parental guidance. Sit with your parents and watch it. It's really painful. It's violent, I should say. You can watch it because you have watched Bahubali. You may have watched War, the movie, all the typical movies. But watch good movies. I will mention one. It's based on smuggling of diamonds from economically weaker countries. Blood Diamond. If you can get the time to watch it, watch the movie. There's a particular scene between the father and the son. It's mind-blowing. It'll bring tears to your eyes. It's towards the end. It's towards the end of the movie. Excellent. And why I have referred this movie? Because you will find that people, the government officials, they get stuck with rules and regulations and this and that, which may not sort out the issue. I'll give you a very stupid example. I say stupid because I found it very stupid. In Kolkata, where I reside, if I want to change a phone number in the bank, especially SBI, I need to go there. They will give me a form. I'll have to fill up the form. I have to submit it. And they will take around 24 hours minimum to update the phone number. Done. But I was in Himachal also for a couple of years. There the people coming there are very less in that particular branch, very few. And the manager was known to me. I went there, I told, sir, I want to change my phone number. So, sir, you sit down, I'll do it. Within 2 minutes, the phone number was changed. I sat there and he did it. Right there. See, same thing, phone number. No paperwork, nothing. 2 minutes mein ho gaya kaam. So at times we need to understand the importance of a particular situation. Okay, and he was given a paper to write it down. What he had to write? This. Just that if anything happens, the chairman or anyone won't be taking the responsibility. Technically, yes, it had to be done. No other options. If you are in a corporate setup, you'll understand. There are some things which has to be done, even though you know this is for you. You have to do it. And the master, he was very much upset. क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? मैं मेरे टाइगर को लेके आना, I have come to take it. अरे ये लोग मुझे लेटर लिखा हुआ है. but he gave it. And he wrote in Sanskrit. Interesting. Now again, a problem here arises. Tell me, what is it that you have written here? Only what you have dictated in a language we don't understand. I can't accept it. Now see, he cannot accept a thing which is Indian and it's regarded to be as the mother of all languages. If that is the case, again see, communication gap. The officials and the master had the problem because there's a communication gap. So communication, free flow of communication is very, very, very important. And I recommend that each one of us learn. We are in India, it's wonderful, because that gives us an opportunity to learn more than one language. But I prefer that you learn, apart from English and Hindi, try to learn some other languages. If you have learned Urdu, authentic Urdu, it's wonderful. Otherwise, you try to learn some other foreign language, maybe a French or a Spanish. I have learned Spanish. Why? Because the market is diversifying. So why to stick to one language? Learn a few languages, the job opportunities increase, you get some other things to do. And language is a wonderful thing to learn. It helps you to know other cultures. And the moment you know other cultures, your stereotypical thought process changes. Because I traveled to Haryana, because I traveled to Punjab, because I traveled to Himachal, because I traveled to various parts of Bengal, I have realized one thing. One thing I have understood, that no human being, irrespective of the culture, religion, caste, gender he belongs to, no human being is bad or good. It's just a human being. Maybe at that time he doesn't want me to meet or want me to talk. Otherwise, or maybe he wants something else which I cannot give. That is only difference. Everywhere it is the same thing, same to same. I think there is no difference only. There are differences by which we react, how which we speak. I wear specs, someone else may not wear it. That's it. Okay, let us go now, said my master. To whom is he speaking? To whom is the master speaking? Can anyone tell me? Let us go now.
Sir, to the tiger.
But you must realize, underline please, this is very important. And remember, R.K. Narayan is a very established author. He giving this statement is basically about human beings through the master. You must realize that human beings, for all their bluster, that means all their glitz and glamour, all their so-called brave nature, are timid creatures. It is correct. It is correct. I am talking about me personally. I'm a very timid person. Rather, my ancestors were more mentally and physically strong. Think of the kings, time of the kings, Zamindars, how effective they used to know how to use the gun. They used to know how to use the stick to fight. Tomorrow you tell me, sir, you fight. I'll say, no, chalo, fight, chhod do, fight nahi hota hai mujhse. But physically, I am not sound. I should be knowing certain things, certain skills. Okay, don't look at them. That's the only way to maintain one's peace of mind. So the author is telling us to avoid people because human beings are not trustworthy. That is the problem. That is a hard truth. Okay, and then they have given some explanations. We will go through the explanations. We will go through the explanations and come to see. Let us understand the way we deal the class. We will discuss the main points just as I've done today. Apart from that, I'll discuss every portion that is discussed in the paper. I'll give you homeworks. Kindly update the homeworks on time so that we learn something. Last but not the least, please go through the sections, the chapters. If you have any doubt, come to me, ask me, torture me like anything. but ask me questions, because the moment you ask me questions, I also start thinking. I have found really good answers from you all. That means you also think, but put your thought in the right direction. Think crazy, go crazy. Otherwise, this is the only life you have got. Next time when I get birth, I don't know whom I will be. I don't know what happened to me 7 life before. Neither does Mozam know, nor does Farhana knows. So this is the only life. Learn as much as you can. Gain knowledge. Just enjoy your classes. Okay, with this we end the class. Safia, make it a point that the students upload their tasks. It is a moral responsibility of all of us that we upload our homework by 2 p.m. today itself. Keep it in mind. Okay. Thank you. Meet again tomorrow at 12 p.m. Until then, goodbye. Take care and God bless. Bye.